7 delicious yogurt bowl ideas you'll want to prep ASAP. Breakfast is something I like to think of as a talent. Preparing something appetizing can seem hard when you're just getting out of bed and hurrying to go to work on time. To be honest, I'm more often than not content with a toaster waffle, or two, which leaves me hungry an hour later. Certain breakfasts, on the other hand, allow you to have it all. The nutrition, the flavor, and the ease of use. Yogurt bowls, I'm talking to you. Yogurt bowls are a fun way to acquire loads of good-for-you nutrients while eating a delightful breakfast or snack. According to Marisa Moore, RDN, a culinary and integrative dietitian, the yogurt alone delivers plenty of calcium, magnesium, and protein, in addition to active, live cultures. Yogurt bowls are a practical method to absorb probiotics, which have been linked to a variety of health advantages, including digestive and immune system benefits. Plus, you can personalize them by adding your favorite toppings, such as oats, fruit, or nuts like almonds. Moore says she enjoys adding nuts for crunch and texture, as well as a boost of plant-based protein, fiber, and beneficial fats, to her specialty bowls, as well as adding fruit for color and sweetness to otherwise acidic yogurt. When possible, she also suggests using seasonal toppings. In the fall, for example, try combining pumpkin puree and maple syrup in your yogurt dish. You will not be sorry. Okay, but how do you make a yogurt bowl in the first place? It's straightforward. It's all about stacking and combining your elements. Starting with a plain yogurt base is a classic way to prepare it, though you can try a flavored one if you like. Then, on top of that, arrange the fruit and seeds, and drizzle with honey. You can also try the opposite, especially if you're eating your bowl later in the day as a snack or lunch. According to Moore, putting your flavored yogurt toppings towards the bottom of your container may help your tart yogurt absorb the extra flavors better. When I take the bowl with me on the road, I use frozen fruit. I start with frozen fruit in the bottom of the dish, then add yogurt on top. You get a luscious, fruit on the bottom effect when the fruit defrosts, she explains. You can also alternate the layers, such as yogurt, fruit, yogurt again, almonds, and so on. Moore claims that layering the toppings this way allows you to get a taste of everything in one scoop. That way, finishing first won't mean you've run out of options. What an all-around food life hack. 1. Pomegranate and honey yogurt bowl. The pomegranate seeds in this yogurt bowl makes it a nutritional powerhouse. They pack antioxidants that build up your immunity. For this recipe, Bryn, the recipe author, recommends using plain Greek yogurt because it lets the flavors of the fruit shine through without the excess sweetness of flavored yogurts. 2. Cranberry orange yogurt bowl. This cranberry orange smoothie bowl is a light, gluten-free breakfast or snack with many nutritional benefits. Oranges pack vitamin C and cranberries are full of healthy gut bacteria. This recipe also adds in some granola dust to deliver a hearty crunch. 3. Peanut butter and jelly yogurt bowl. Here's a crunchy bowl that blends sweet, the jelly, and tart, the yogurt, flavors while offering a yummy mix of several textures, gooey jelly, creamy peanut butter, and the airy yogurt. The nuts also add a crunchy surprise. In other words, every last bite will definitely feel like a party. 4. Roasted persimmon yogurt bowl. This wintry yogurt bowl is bursting with flavor. Zainab, the bowl's creator, describes persimmon as a mix between a pumpkin and a pear. It's a good source of vitamins A and C, and lends a pretty color to this breakfast or snack. The coconut granola, pistachios, and chia seeds also add a crunch factor to the creamy yogurt base. 5. Greek yogurt bowl with blueberries and peach. Start your morning with a burst of vitamin C from the fresh fruit in this yogurt bowl. The peaches and blueberries sweeten up the yogurt, and you can add in some cacao nibs for a hint of chocolatey flavor. 6. Pumpkin pie yogurt bowl. Who doesn't love pumpkin pie? Now imagine eating it for breakfast without the resulting sugar crash. This yogurt bowl lets you do just that. It's made with pumpkin puree to create a to-die-for flavor that's perfect for the fall months. Throw in some cinnamon or extra toppings and this creation is dream-worthy. 7. Banana berry flaxseed smoothie bowl. This bowl doubles up as a smoothie and a yogurt bowl. Instead of traditional Greek yogurt, it uses a dairy-free alternative from Silk. The base consists of a blend of yogurt, bananas, flaxseed, and coconut oil. You'll then top it off with a mix of berries and walnuts, or whatever you prefer, really.